Suricata 8 brings some new features. Particularly interesting to me would be the evolution of Suricata as a library. Refined Lua support, and by that I mean Lua used to be an optional feature, and now it's there for everyone to use, which is something we've been hearing from the community for a long time now. And then just general improvements across the board that everyone should be interested in. Another benefit to the community is DPTK has now become easier to use than ever with an auto configuration mode. For people deploying Suricata, the built-in Lua is going to be a great enhancement. For years now, we've been hearing from rule writers that they can't make use of Lua because it's not there for every user or person deploying Suricata. One, they had to enable Lua, and two, different users could have different versions of Lua running, so the rule writers had no idea what they were targeting. These days with Suricata 8, every user will be running the exact same version of Lua. Lua is there for everyone to use. It's always on. Rule vendors can now publish rules using Lua and be confident that they will work on every user's system. We've had integrators using Suricata as a library before we even supported it as a library. So they've been coming to us and telling us that they would love to see first-class support as a library. It is now easier to integrate the Suricata engine into your existing applications that already have a handle on the packets to be inspected without having to modify Suricata after every release. The real value of this version, especially for integrators, is the ease in upgrading and keeping up with our patch releases. Prior to this release, those integrating Suricata at a low level would have to integrate their changes directly into Suricata. These days, they can just use the library and focus on their own business logic. Suricata needs from the community feedback, feedback, and more feedback. We're a team of software developers trying to build the best IDS system in the world, which means we're mostly in code. And we rely on the community in a very big way to feedback to us the real world threats, behaviors that they're seeing and that they need to resolve, which is why it's very important to come to events like Suricon where you can talk to us. Suricon is a chance for members of the community or even those working with Suricata to get face-to-face time with other Suricata users, integrators, as well as the development team. Don't be afraid to approach us at a coffee break or lunch to tell us how you're using Suricata, what your issues are with Suricata, and what we could do to better support your use case. We live off this feedback. It's what makes Suricata better in the future. Software vendors looking to implement intrusion detection or deep packet inspection into their products should really look at Suricata. Suricata represents 15 years plus of very focused software development on this use case. And it would save you from doing the work yourself by instead using the industry standard in the problem space.